The Porsche 911 GT3 RS has been given a maximum downforce boost with the Manthey Racing kit. The kit creates over 2,204 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour by modifying the rear wing, front spoiler, and rear diffuser. The new rear wing is one of the largest on the market, and the car's aerodynamic performance will be significantly improved. A shark fin and wider rear diffuser are used to increase downforce without increasing drag. At the front, a spoiler lift, carbon fiber elements, and diver fins enhance downforce on the front axle.
Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide.
In addition, upgrades to the suspension, braking system, and automatic damper control provide greater responsiveness and precision. The Manthey Racing package also provides additional options such as carbon door sills, LED door projector lights, decals, and towing eyes. The Manthey Racing package will be available outside of Europe in March 2025 for approximately $79,973 with no installation costs at Porsche dealerships. With this kit, the Porsche 911 GT3 RS will deliver a significant performance boost on the track.
Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day